finishing up this log. Getting this last little bit off, so we'll cut a bunch of 1-bys out of it. This is our 48-inch mill. They do extremely well. Come over here to this button right here, hit it to neutral, turn the speed down. We'll throw this piece off. I mean, it's not going to get in our way or anything. Look how pretty that cedar is. And we'll come back. Our target number is 9.5, and we'll cut a bunch of boards. Little cedar chunks everywhere. It may look ugly now, but once I start getting it all milled down, it'll be pretty. Kind of a lazy mill. You really don't do a lot except roll the log. Okay. Come down to 8.5. Will be our first cut. Actually, let's go to 8. 8 will be our first cut. Get the sawmill forward, and then we'll do all the work from there. It's our 48-inch package. I like it because you can throw all your extra cuts right on the side. But she just does her job, she just cuts. I do come in with a power washer and clean everything up. I'll power wash all this stuff away. I like to keep a clean track. I could speed it up a little bit, but so we're at 8, we'll go back to 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and so on and so on to get our boards that we need. The motor's about 1/4 throttle. Alright, so now we're at 8. We're going to get up and out of the log so we don't hit it. Mills that we make right here in Oklahoma, Broken Bow, Oklahoma. They work perfect. Well, they work great for us and all of my customers. Okay, we're gonna go down to 7. That button right there, closest to you, get down to 7. Put the motor on forward, which is this switch right here, and then just, there you go. Let her do her thing. I do have trash in the way right here I will get rid of when I bring another log up. You just let her do her thing and she'll come right to you. Makes nice boards, I'll tell you that right now. Nice, straight, accurate boards every time. All you can really ask for. I can turn up the speed if I want to. I bet we got debris on the track over there. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, let me come back a second. Okay. Turn down the motor. Because that blade's a wicked little booger. We're just going to shut it off. I'd rather be safe than sorry. Because ain't no need to get yourself hurt. These blades are not forgiving. It's a little bit of debris on the track. Not that big of a deal. Come back over, start her back up, and let her have fun. lot of lumber to mill. I got to get all this milled up by Tuesday. No problem. A lot of work. There you go. Come out of the log. Come back over here. Neutral. Come up to 10. And when we come back, we're going to go to 6. I'm just getting out of the log. Come back and let it wait for you. You just come back and wait for it. Okay. Lower it down to 6, Sawmill River. Right there, 6. Come in forward. Let the saw do the work. As you can tell, they cut the exact boards every single time. The dogs over there just absolutely having a ball. They love playing in all the sawdust and cedar. Them goobers will play just like non-stop. They're both females, and I don't know why Snowball is doing what she's doing, but hey. Just weird dogs. I think it's a dominant thing. To show the little puppy Daisy May I'm dominant. Good sharp blade, a good tight blade. Gets you every time for what you're cutting. Whether you're cutting walnut, you're cutting cedar, you're cutting blue pine, don't matter. You gotta have a good sharp blade. Every time. Get out of this cut. Okay. We're gonna go up to 10, remember? Then we'll come back to 5. Now we'll let her come back. You can tell. We got even proportion boards here. Boop, 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 boop. Come back, drop it down to 5 and let it do its thing. Come here, the neutral switch right here, that little button up. Get out of the cut. Hit neutral. There we go. Drop back down to 5. We're at 5, go forward and let her eat. As you can tell, same cuts every time. Now we're in the heart of the tree. You'll have yourself some really nice cedar. You know. Look at these boards. Beautiful. Somebody will definitely be able to build something with that. I'll let the saw do the work. I cut some cedar yesterday. I always get cedar beams out of it. Oh. Cedar 1x12s or 10s. The cedar's absolutely gorgeous. My favorite wood to cut. I like the grain, I like the pattern, I like everything about it. I like cutting black walnut and blue pine as well too, but there's nothing like cedar. Well, hickory. We're going to cut that hickory log over there today. I tell you what, hickory is the same way. Absolutely gorgeous. I'll put that hickory log over here. We got to go to our son's golf tournament. He's sitting in first place with the 8-under lead, or 8-shot lead. He's sitting at 6 under for the club championship. He won it last year, and hopefully he wins it again this year. Okay, we're going to get out of that cut. Now that we're out of the cut, 5. We're going to go to 4 next time. I know it's long and lengthy. Again, get up and out of it. Come back, hit it to reverse. Right there is reverse. Hit it there. And she'll come back on. Alright. As you can tell, we have some little cedar boards right there. I take all these scraps with us in like these little dingleberry pieces. What I'll do is I'll take them up to Canton Trade Days and put them for like $2 a piece. Somebody will play with them and do something with them.